Starch Showdown. Cornstarch versus Tapioca Starch.
Hello, starch enthusiasts. Today, we're here to discuss an important topic that you often encounter in the kitchen, especially if you're a fan of baking or cooking. We'll be comparing two popular types of starch, cornstarch and tapioca starch, highlighting their differences, similarities, and best use cases.
What is cornstarch?
Cornstarch, as its name suggests, is derived from corn. It is a pure starch often used as a thickening agent in sauces, soups, and desserts. The process of creating cornstarch involves removing the outer covering and the germ from corn kernels, leaving the starchy endosperm, which is ground to create a fine, white powder. Cornstarch is known for its neutral flavor, so it doesn't impact the taste of the dish. Its high starch content makes it a powerful thickener, but it can form a lumpy texture if not mixed properly.
What is tapioca starch?
Moving on to tapioca starch, it's a product of the cassava root. The process of obtaining it involves a series of washing and pulping to extract the starch from the root. The resulting product is a starchy, slightly sweet, white powder. Unlike cornstarch, tapioca starch can withstand prolonged cooking and high temperatures, making it a great choice for dishes that require a longer cooking time. It's often used in gluten-free baking and provides a glossy finish to sauces and fillings. Tapioca starch results in a clear, not cloudy, mixture and can give a chewy texture to baked goods.
What are the key differences?
Now that we know a bit about each type of starch, let's dive into their main differences. Firstly, their source, cornstarch, is derived from corn, while tapioca starch comes from the cassava root. In terms of cooking properties, cornstarch is a great choice for quick thickening as it thickens at a lower temperature, but it can become lumpy and does not hold up well under high heat or prolonged cooking. Tapioca starch, on the other hand, can handle higher temperatures and longer cooking times, providing a uniform, clear, and glossy texture. Lastly, there is a difference in flavor. While cornstarch is mostly neutral, tapioca starch carries a mild sweetness. Both cornstarch and tapioca starch have their unique qualities and serve different purposes in cooking and baking. Understanding these differences can help you choose the right starch for your recipe. Whether it's the neutral thickening power of cornstarch or the glossy, heat-resistant properties of tapioca starch, both have a rightful place in your kitchen. We hope this starch showdown has been helpful in understanding the key differences between cornstarch and tapioca starch. Happy cooking!